Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first time attempting a vlog, so hopefully it goes well. So tomorrow is Mother's Day in the UK. For some reason it's different from the one in the rest of the world. I'm not complaining because I would love to celebrate both, and now that I'm a mom I would love to be celebrated on and I would love gifts on both. So I'm gonna be hosting a brunch. I'm sorry about the lighting. Yeah, there's a lot going on, and since it's a vlog, I'm hoping it's not supposed to be too crisp. But anyway, yeah. So I'm hosting a brunch with a few other moms just to celebrate some, nice social thing going on. So right now, what I have to do today, I have to marinate the meat because the fathers thankfully has agreed to barbecue for us. So I'm marinating some meat. I actually have marinated some drumsticks. Here we go. My special secret recipes. So I'm gonna do the wings and then yeah, think about the setup for tomorrow. So like they over there on the dining table, that's where we're gonna sit. I have washed the tablecloth in preparation for tomorrow, and then so I'm thinking since we're gonna be eating there, we can set up the food there. I'm gonna set up over there where there's like the food basket and the microwave. I'll have to move them somewhere there so that I can just have like a nice setup for the food. Yeah, so I think tonight what I just need to do is double check that I've got all the supplies from the shop, marinate all the meat that needs to be barbecued, and then yeah, ensure that everything is done and ready in terms of like the utensils, the cutlery, glasses and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I think that's what I need to do. Yeah, I think that's it. So we'll catch up later. Again, not really sure how this vlogging thing works, but yeah, catch up later. So today it's the morning of the brunch. I've woken up early to try and get some of the setup done whilst my baby is still sleeping. So I think what I'm gonna try and do is just to put like the rough setup on, and then I'm going to bake muffins. So I'm gonna pre-mix them, and so that like when the time is baking, I'm just going to be putting the wet ingredients, checking them in the oven. So yeah, I think for now to do the setup, and I've got some unboxing to do. My Temu stuff arrived. Yes. So super excited about that. So I think like I mentioned yesterday, this is going to be where the setup is. So far this is where I think I'm going to be putting the muffins that I'm going to bake and stuff. So yeah, let's set up. So yes, this is my So I just need some tea. This is not my favorite one. Just checking the monitor. My baby is sleeping. Put it there. So yes, let's unbox. So this is my Temu parcel. This is the paint finder set that we're gonna do for the activity. Oh, so this is what I think it's supposed to look like. Yeah. And then this is the paint, and that's the paint brushes. So yeah, this is, I bought 2 sets because I was expecting to get more than 6. And then we've got these 2 plates. We're gonna put something in there on the setup, just not sure what at the moment, but yeah. This is what they look like. So it just needs to be washed and be ready to use, to be put into use in earnest. And then we've got this. This is like a tower thing you see when it's all set up, but it's like 3 layers tower thing. Again, set up. I think we're gonna put maybe mini burgers in here. Yeah, we'll see. And then my table runner. So my theme is green, particularly this sage type of green, because it just blends along with my kitchen. So this is the table runner. I guess you see why I really needed my Temu stuff to come. So yeah, this is the second set of the painting stuff, which will set up somewhere. So it looks sunny. We can actually paint outside, so that's another option there. And then I got my other stuff from Amazon. So Amazon, it's got this special spring, getting into spring special. So I got some stuff from Amazon as well. This is just some set of hand washes for my 3 bathrooms. So yeah, they go out very quickly. So you know, there's that. And then I got a scale, a body weight scale is part of my postpartum recovery journey. Don't know why I did this to myself, but yes, we got this. And then this is part of the Brunch, some mini canvases, so that should help with, let me put this away, that should help with the painting situation. Just look at my baby. Aww. So let's open this. It feels and looks a bit smaller than I thought it would be. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Something is happening. Uh-oh. Sweet little miss is up. Oh! Ah! Okay, so I need to go and attend to the baby. But we need to talk about how small these canvases are. Yeah, so this is the size, the real size of the canvases that I got when I thought they were bigger. We'll have to wait and my baby girl will use them. So now I don't know what's gonna be the plan for my paint. So I got this is supposed to be like the canvas boards where we're going to do our painting. This is the size I got. Well, that's why it was cheap, but I just thought, do we even have enough brushes? Yeah, I think that the redemption is that there's like more brushes and a little bit more paint. But this paint, my baby girl will have to use it when she's grown. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, so guys, I'm going to finish up with the setup and then yeah, I can show you that afterwards. Okay. So that went well. We didn't end up doing the painting after all my trouble. We ran out of time, so we're gonna do it some other time. But we did play another game. It was just random questions. I think you saw me put that on a plate. Random questions around the table. So that was nice and interesting. So yeah, that was quite good. credit where it's due. I'd like to thank my friend for helping me plan and coordinate everything, my husband for barbecuing our meat, and my husband for coordinating everything and helping, yeah, just helping me in everything. And yeah, a few lessons have been learned. I think I was over ambitious with the mini burgers and pancakes that I didn't end up making, but people ended up eating. So yeah, we'll clear up now and let's see where we get to tonight. Later. Oh, baby girl. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. It was really a good day. I enjoyed the brunch and yeah, it was a successful day. I guess I enjoy hosting, so it was really nice to meet up with other ladies who have kids, and my baby is the youngest, so it's learning from others' experiences as well, which is very important, especially here when you're far from family. It can be lonely and you can feel isolated, so really enjoyed that. So now there isn't much to do. It's almost already all cleaned up, so yeah, just gonna finish up here and then yeah, we're done. We've got some good leftovers that will take me through some time tomorrow, maybe lunch, something like that. So yeah, I think we're done for now. Thank you so much. Please do share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.